Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zoho CRM with email templates for outreach, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the setup option located in the upper right corner. Under the channels section, select email. Next, click on email templates from the drop-down menu. Here, click on the create template button. You'll see different options for template creation like standard, HTML, and text. Choose your preferred format based on your outreach. If you select standard, you will access a simple text editor. For HTML, you can add more design elements and formatting. Once you've chosen your format, give your template a name. This name will help you identify the template later. Now, fill in the subject line for your email. Make sure it's clear and engaging to increase open rates. In the body of the email, draft your outreach message. Be concise and personalize your content when possible. Utilize merge fields to personalize your emails automatically. You can insert fields such as the recipient's name or company. Once you're satisfied with the content, preview the email. Check for any formatting issues or typos. When everything looks good, click on the Save button. Your new email template is now created and saved. To use this template for outreach, go to the Leads or Contacts module. Select the records you want to reach out to. Click on the Send Email option. From the template selector, choose the template you just created. Review the email one last time before sending. Finally, click the Send button to deliver your outreach. You have now successfully set up Zoho CRM with email templates for outreach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.